Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about choosing the right stain for your project. Now, when you're at the hardware store, you're going to notice there's a lot of different stains out there, and depending on what you're trying to accomplish, what you choose does matter. Now, I've got a bunch of Minwax products in front of me that you'll find at your local Ace. This one here, this Minwax wood stain, is kind of the traditional oil-based stain that you're probably used to and you see on beautiful wood finishes, that on furniture or railings, all kinds of stuff like that. This is the traditional oil stain that you would use for those projects. You want to make sure that everything's clean and sanded, and you'll actually apply this and then wipe it away to get that deep, rich color. And with a stain like this, then you would put a top coat like a polyurethane over the top. Oil-based does have fumes, so when you're using it, make sure that you have a well-ventilated area when you're applying this stain. Now, they also make a waterborne solid-colored stain. I should make the point that with this oil-based stain, it's what they call a semi-transparent. So you're going to see the rich wood grain by using a stain like this. When you get into the waterborne stains, these two will show you a little bit of the grain, but it has more coverage and it has more colors available. It can actually be tinted, and you'll apply it and you'll wipe it off, and you'll see that if you want to get a richer color, you'll apply even more of it over the top of the wood, and less fumes because it's water-based, easier to use, easier to clean up as well. You'd also put a top coat over the top of this as well. Okay, with Polyshade, we're going back to an oil-based product here. What's unique about this is that it not only has the oil-based stain, but it has the finish already embedded in it. So as you apply it, it ends up saving you a step. You get that beautiful rich color, but with the finish already in. It comes in a satin and a gloss finish to give you beautiful results. And finally, gel stain. Gel stain is exactly what it means, gel. It's a little bit thicker consistency. It's a really nice product to use on vertical surfaces. It will penetrate. You will still need a top coat over the top of this, but if you're working on spindles or any kind of small vertical project, even say a fiberglass door, gel stain is what's recommended to use on many of those manufactured doors. Anyway, lots of choices. These are just 4 of them. Of course, if you need more help and you're over at your local Ace hardware store, just talk to the associate in the store. All right, coming up next, my video on the difference between waterborne stains and oil-based stains.